Crabgrass can be a nuisance and extremely invasive. If crabgrass found its way into your lawn, don't worry, we're here to help. First things first, let's be certain that the weed you're seeing is actually crabgrass. Other grassy weeds are oftentimes mistaken for crabgrass, but not all of these weeds are treated the same way, so it's important to correctly identify the weed before treatment. Crabgrass only grows when the soil is warm, so if you're seeing a grassy weed in the dead of winter, it's not crabgrass. Most grassy weeds grow vertically and can get pretty tall, but crabgrass spreads outward and its leaves kind of resemble, well, a crab. Crabgrass is light green and darkens as it matures. The leaf blades usually have tiny hairs covering both sides, and at the very end of the leaf there's a unique seed head. The seed heads can release thousands of seeds into your lawn, especially with the help of a lawnmower. So before you just chop them down, let's work on getting rid of them properly. Crabgrass control is all about timing. Crabgrass seeds will begin to germinate when the soil temperature reaches around 55 degrees. So in most areas, you'll want to treat with a pre-emergent in late winter or early spring. Apply a pre-emergent to your entire lawn using either a pump sprayer or a backpack sprayer. Some pre-emergents like high-yield weed killer come in a granular form and can be applied easily using a spreader. Once the entire lawn is treated, water the pre-emergent in so it penetrates the soil. Even with the pre-emergents, there are some conditions that can allow crabgrass to grow. Pavement and concrete absorb heat, so the soil around these areas will bake and become hotter quicker than the rest of the lawn. Without any turf grass to compete for space, crabgrass will grow rampant. A thin and stressed out lawn allows more sunlight to heat the soil and more space for the weeds to squeeze in. So for that relentless crabgrass that's still sprouting, the best way to get rid of it is to carefully pull it out by the roots. But if you've got more crabgrass than you can handle, use a weed killer like Accelerate or Q4+. These weed killers contain a selective herbicide called Quinclorac, which is specially made for eliminating active crabgrass. Spray the weed killer as a spot treatment directly on the crabgrass. Warning: do not use products with Quinclorac on St. Augustine or centipede grass. If you're unsure, read the label or give us a call. With nature's help, crabgrass seeds will always find their way into your lawn. So if you never want to see crabgrass again, make sure you repeat this process every year. If you've discovered that weed invading your lawn is not crabgrass and you need help identifying it, just send a picture to our email or give us a call at Do It Yourself Pest Control.